Don't blink, guys. You might miss something. What's going on, World Wide Web? It's me, Marlon. I am the original student of the game of internet marketing. Yeah, that guy that's always in this place or in this space where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew, and I'm always sharing with future entrepreneurs, affiliate, direct mail marketers. Guys, listen in. Today we're going to talk about how you can make money, right, as a gold miner. I'm gonna talk about how you guys can make money working from home on your computer as a miner, so to speak, guys. No, guys, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna talk about how to make money as a miner, but what I do want to talk about is the fact that you can make money working from home as a problem solver. Um, for any of you guys who know your history, you know that in 1849, during the gold rush, the people that made most of the money were the guys and gals selling the picks and the shovels, right? They were the people that made the most money. I mean, there was gold that had to be mined, but it was really very little in comparison to the amount of people who were flocking west to dig for it, right? I mean, yeah, everybody wanted a pick and a shovel because everybody wanted their stake in their claim, the gold rush, right, of the 49ers, right? That's what the 49ers, that's what that thing was all about. But the people who made most of the money were the people that were selling the picks and the shovels. And yeah, times have changed, but the people who still make the most money, right, making money working from home, are still pick and shovel people selling people, right? Yeah, they're the people that sells the pick and the shovels, right? Still, find a product, find a service that tens of thousands of people are already desperately searching for, and then make that product available to that person. Find a way to automate making that product available to that person, guys, and you have just tapped into a great new wave gold mine or gold rush pick and shovel seller of the new millennium. Of the new millennium, right? So look, that's what we want to do, guys. We want to sell picks and shovels, right? So if you wanted to start selling picks and shovels, guys, what better way to do it than find a niche, find something that a lot of people need, a lot of people are working for, and you become the problem solving broker, right? The bridge that brings those two people together, right? Kind of like matchmakers. Anyway, guys, that's what I want to talk about in this video, right? Because what I want to talk about, guys, is the launch of my new 2.0 Rock the Funnel, right? It consists of a couple of marketing systems sort of really built within a marketing system. And unlike the Gold Rush people who were making decent one-off sales, right? Because they were making the sales and the numbers were coming in so fast that those one-off sales didn't matter so much. Still made a lot of money. But we're talking about being pick and shovel sellers, not only making one-off sales, but also being able to make some residual income at the same time. Wow. I know the 49ers didn't have that good. I mean, you know the guys selling the picks and shovels, because there's no way you can tell me that if the people used the pick and shovel after a whole year, they were still paying the people who sold them the pick and the shovel. They were giving them a kickback because they still had the pick and the shovel. No, that one-off sale was a one-off sale. But what if you could be a problem solver, a broker with both people looking to make money working from home and people who need more traffic and lead generation? Wow. You would have just married up two of the most explosive niches in the world. Because look, everybody who has a business, they need more traffic and more leads, right? Everybody who has a business wants more traffic and leads. And people who are looking for ways to make money want to do it, and they don't want to do it where they gotta break the bank. You don't want to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff, right? So just pair those two things together, find a way to present it, to get in front of the countless tens of thousands of people who are looking for these things and make it available to them. And my maximizer is a way to use it with people who are already pretty much familiar with working from home and making money. I mean, if you don't know anything about working from home and make money, you wouldn't know anything about the login starter ad because you'd be like, what is that? But people who are do. So we have different approaches to approach those different audiences, those segments, that demographic, right? And so we do that by presenting these types of offers. Brokers still work from home, make money, traffic and lead generation to different audiences in different ways. Okay? In this instance, it's the login starter ad blaster, guys. Of course, we're going to automatically run people from our actual capture page into a system that will allow people to use and capitalize on the starter login ads. Guys, I'll talk about that more later, but the same thing happens when it comes to the big brands marketing strategy, a different approach for people who may not know anything about working from home, but might find an ad that looks like this and be interested enough to give us their name and their email addresses. And when they do, guys, we direct those people, just like we did in the Maximizer, guys, but this time we direct them to an over-the-shoulder marketing system that pretty much walks them through the entire process. If they didn't know how to start making money from home, if they had no clue of how the process can work and how they can benefit from it, then after going through this particular presentation, this VSL that does everything, they will, right? So what's the point, guys? The point is, if you're not a pick and shovel seller, or seller, pick and shovel several people, person, if you're not one of those people, you can become one of those people right now today, right? Because I got the marketing systems to help you guys do it. At the end of the day, guys, I don't care what nobody tell you. If you can build a list, you can build a business. If you can generate traffic and leads, you can build a business. If you can show other people how to generate traffic and leads, you can make even more money. If you could provide a pick and a shovel that a person would never get rid of, but not only never get rid of because they need it, you'll make residual income because they always need it, they always use it. As long as they use it, you make money. That's a match made in heaven. That's what 2.0 is all about, guys. We're rocking the funnel. We're going from one end of a great multi-billion-dollar niche to another. We truly are rocking the funnel, guys. Do you guys understand? All the techniques, all the tactics, all the strategies, all covered inside my 1 million ways to market, big banner ads marketing strategy 2.0. Rock the funnel. Rock the funnel. You guys finding this video, you need to reach out. If somebody's sending you this video, you need to reach out. Click the link below the video. Do whatever you got to do. Do whatever's clever. Thanks for sitting in on the video. I appreciate you guys so very much. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital direct mail marketing lifestyle. No limits. Keep rocking, and I'll see you guys on the next video.